announcements for the bikini male category. First finalist is candidate number 9.
And please step forward. Candidate number 4.
And for the third spot is you, candidate number 3.
And please join our gentlemen here. Candidate number 5.
And to complete our top 5, itigilin muna ng konting oras